Now, another problem that people often have is actually how to get around corners with the dynamic tape. Now, the dynamic tape has that four-way stretch and we can conform to the body very, very well. The trick with that is to maintain your tension as you go along. So again, so maintain your tension along the whole piece and smooth the tape down as you go along. So again, it comes back to not trying to peel your backing paper off as you go along like you would with other things. Again, we don't want to just peel off and apply with that paper off sort of tension, because then we don't have sufficient tension to create a mechanical effect. And again, you'll run into those problems of creating tension points along there or losing your position and so on. So we want to take off a reasonable piece of the backing sheet in any one go so that we can take up tension across a larger section of the tape so we get that uniform force being contributed. So if we just have a look here, again, we're going to apply our anchor point, a nice long lever arm, so well away from the axis of rotation. And here I'm going to just come and turn around the corner to show you how we do it. So we would take off a reasonable section of the backing paper again. We put them into the short position. We anchor down with our thumb once again. I can then smooth with my fingers. Now, if I keep my tension on here, I can smooth with my fingers and I can actually get around this corner. Just move your head. That's it. Down there. Okay, and again, obviously we're not going over clothing, but we don't get any bunching up and we maintain tension through the whole piece of tape. So we're getting this nice effect on it. If you try to, again, do small sections as you go along and peeling your backing paper off, you'll get tangled up, you'll lose your tension, and you'll find that this bunches up. So the trick is to maintain your tension on the tape as you go around your corners. So from here we can anchor, we get our tension on, and we can smooth, keep our tension on as we go around. I can, if you look at how much it can actually curve all the way around. Okay, it's not particularly a technique, but you can see how we can very nicely get around pretty much a full circle without any bunching up and overlapping or folds in the tape by maintaining our tension. Now again, we're not overstretching it, we're just taking up the slack in the tape. When the arm comes down, that's what creates our tension. So we just take up the slack. We shouldn't see the tape narrowing out, it shouldn't be getting very rough, it should be nice and wide, still and smooth, but we just keep that tension on as we apply the tape around the corners.